Hey peeps, my name is Jasmine Sky, and I'm here today with Carissa and Michelle. We're staying at my apartment for Anime CTX, which is super exciting. It's pretty late on Friday already. It's like 5. What is it? Almost 6?
It's 6 o'clock.
6 o'clock on Friday. We haven't gone to the con yet. We're still getting ready and stuff, but that's cool. We might even take some pictures like right outside my apartment first as Ash and Misty in some like grass or trees, and then get dinner and then check out the con. So that's the schedule for today. Anime CTX is tiny. I've never actually been, but I know it's tiny. So we're just gonna have a chill time and hang out and have fun and see if we see people there. I know there'll be several people there tomorrow, so that'll be it. We're going on an adventure.
Oh yeah.
We're right here in front of some trees, and we're gonna take some photos. I'm gonna put you like on top of this air conditioning vent. Can you see us? Michelle, where are you? Okay, it's a little sideways. That's cool. Let's take some photos. Camera's got a fancy Carissa. Carissa's got a fancy camera. The AC unit turned on. Okay. I think we're vibrating. That's cool. Yeah. It'll be real fun. Fun blocking. It turned off, so we're gonna try it again. Hopefully you don't die. Cool.
So you would hold your stuffy.
What happened? I don't know. Stay like that. Okay.
Can you do it? You don't have to. It's just okay. Off this wind. Yeah, okay. I was like,
oh, I'm gonna fall.
Okay. Lift yourself.
Oh.
What else? Oh, what a good picture.
Any other thoughts, suggestions?
Bug crawling up the window.
That's a cool bug. Look at this bug. I gotta zoom in on it. What is this? What are you? What are you? It's 2 bugs. Oh! I think it's a wasp that killed a spider.
Oh, that's an animal.
It sure is. It's a wasp that killed like a baby tarantula.
Is that where he lives? That's his apartment.
That's his apartment right there. There he goes. Man, that is something. Hashtag nature. It's a bee drill killing a spinnerack. It's nature.
Fair enough.
Forest child.
Okay, now what is...
Oh, right. What was I doing?
This plan?
I actually stay there. Stay.
Kiss him!
Oh, that's all that Ash Pikachu fan fiction right there.
Oh, so cute.
This failure has not seen Detective Pikachu yet.
I'm gonna go next week. Next weekend.
Fail. It was so cute. The cutest. Cute. Stop! What are you doing? Alright, we're done taking some photos. We're gonna go get dinner and then we're gonna go to the con. So I will vlog again when we check out this this hotel that we're
baby con.
going to. Whatever it's, yeah, it's a baby con.
Little baby con.
Like baby Pokemon, they're the best,
Yeah.
obviously. We're here. We've made it. It's like 7:30. We met Love Notes at dinner. I didn't take my camcorder into Fireball, which obviously was a mistake because then
Love Notes was
like all of Love Notes was there. So we got to hang out. We chatted mostly with Bailey. So we'll see her later. I'm probably gonna film a little bit. They're performing tomorrow, so we're gonna try to go and film a little bit, which will be cool. But anyway, we're finally at the con. Here we are. There's like a pretty intense skylight going on right now. Woo! So let's see. There's a lot of Reese's in that. Let's see what's going on. So small. Is this it? This is, I don't know. This is the, I guess the artist alley / dealers hall right there. That's kind of cool. And registration. And the maid cafe.
Want us to Fortnite dance?
I do it, do it. That's amazing.
Somebody's lost, please.
I was just gonna comment that I love that you guys walked in like twinning it up from two totally separate fandoms. Like, that's amazing. It's amazing. Whoa! I don't know what's going on over here, but it's something. Something's happening over there. Cool stuff. Michelle, can you give me my baby. Thank you. Donna. Hello. I'm back at the apartment, as is Carissa over there. Yo, we've already changed out of our clothes because, I don't know, it's only like 9:45, but we were just sitting and chatting on the couches at the con and it was kind of dead. We just decided to come and sit and chat back in my apartment instead. In our pajamas, because yeah, I have my like, literally this shirt, it says Anderson Writer Club. Anderson was my high school. We handmade these shirts, I think my sophomore year of high school. It's been literally, shit, how long ago was sophomore year of high school? That would have been 2009. That was 10 years ago.
Oh, it was close.
This shirt is a decade old, and it really like made with like that like fabric paint, and I've washed it so many times and it's still around. That's crazy. Anyway, but yeah, my my Anderson Writer Club shirt. We were the polar bears, which is why I drew a polar bear. It's pretty good, right? And stuff, and Anderson Writers Club. Okay, I don't know what I'm saying anymore. We changed into pajamas and we're gonna chill and we're gonna chat, and then tomorrow we're gonna get into these boys right here, Tsunade and Naruto, and Gaara, who's not featured on this table because that wig is nothing compared to our wigs, right?
I do not agree with that statement.
Why not?
That's mean.
You don't have to style Gaara's wig. Michelle, did you style Gaara's wig?
No, I just shake it upside down and put it on.
See?
Well,
We had to style our wigs. I'm tired. Even though it's only 9:45, don't judge me. So we're gonna chill, and I will vlog more tomorrow.
okay.
Good morning. Carissa and I are watching my old con vlogs from 2011. I was 17 when I made this. How is it, Carissa?
There's certainly something. There's something else.
Oh, the cringe is real. Oh, I remember this. Someone stole my hat. At least that's what I did for the vlog. In reality, I turned to a random person and was like, hey, you know what would be funny? If we had a clip of someone stealing my hat. So she pretend stole it for me. Oh, man. What a time. What a time. Yeah, these videos are private. You cannot watch them, though I got 1,294 views back in the day. It was a pretty popular vlogger back then, I guess.
I can see why. This is good quality content.
Well, hopefully this vlog will be a little more high quality. So anyway, that was this morning, watching some old con vlogs. Now you've seen a peek of what existed.
What you used to be like.
Whew, what a life. So, but I have been vlogging since 2010, guys. It's my credentials.
So, you know what that means.
So you better like and subscribe. Make a comment down below. I'm professional, guys.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go get into Naruto now. Putting snaps in Gaara.
God, if I don't fuck up the positioning. Oh my god. Okay, hole.
Did it work?
Well, it's a hole. Now I gotta put that thingy on. And where's my thingy? And that. And I think it goes that direction. We'll see. Oh boy. Oh boy.
Where'd it go?
There we go. Ah!
There it is.
I'm like, I think it goes that direction. We'll find out.
Let's hope. That's damn loud. Sorry, neighbors.
Oops.
Well, while that's going on, here we are. It's time for me to do my whiskers.
Hey, it snaps!
Yay! I hate doing my whiskers because if I mess up, I have to redo my whole face. Not that this is like a lot of makeup, but still annoying. So let's try. Well, could be worse. It's a small con. I'm not gonna worry that much about it. And I'm gonna go put the wig on and see how it looks. I just redid my whiskers because I was looking at myself. I was gonna take a selfie and then I was like, they weren't even, and they're still not perfect, but they're better.
They will never be perfect.
It's so hard to make these exactly even. It is literally the worst. So I'm not gonna think about it anymore. They're good enough. We're waiting on Gaara. Make his freaking panda eyes. But as always,
Gaara the beauty queen.
the rock star. Oh, I can't really sit like I want to with this thing on. I safety pinned it. I've got my kunai. It's good stuff. So we're rolling out.
Let's get ninja.
Let's ninja run all the way to the con. Good stuff. Good stuff. This is
That feel when your spike's too tall for your goddamn car.
oh dear. It's definitely gonna mess up everything.
It's so sad.
To like style them correctly.
Especially the one on top is like completely folded down.
I
The life of a cosplayer be like.
yeah. The life of a cosplayer.
Cosplaying goddamn rock.
What? Oh man, that's zoomed in.
Oh yeah, I was zooming in on Michelle doing her makeup.
Oh yeah. We're good. We're rolling into the con. We're ready. We've got a photo shoot in 13 minutes. We're here. No, it's just a small con. We'll see him. It's all good. We're set. Also, Meghan and Ivory and Anita are here somewhere, or about to be here, so that's exciting. Oh, it's raining now.
It's raining.
It's dripping on us.
Great. That's perfect.
I mean, it is cooler. It literally just cooled down like significantly. But anyway, we're gonna go check out the con. It's definitely more crowded today. Where's the Hinata? Where's my wife? There's my wife.
My wife.
My wife.
Thank you.
Yeah. Well, you can definitely do that. Wow. That's super exciting. Look at that. It's an autographed Kyuubi. What a thing. Want me to sign this Naruto? I absolutely want to sign this Naruto. Here we go. Can I sign on the Kyuubi's head? Is that cool? Yeah. I am him. That's a cool experience. Hi. Tsunade, you got a sign. Oh, there you go.
Tsunade.
Yeah. Do you know how to sign your own name, Tsunade? There you go.
Thank you.
Have a good day. So we've been at the con for all of a minute.
Yep.
And we've had 3 photo requests. Score. But now we need to find our photographer so we can take them.
Ask for signatures.
We did. Got autographs. It was.
I wish that my handwriting was better.
Yeah.
Because my handwriting's so ugly. I was like, oh no, please don't ask me. My handwriting is like a little child's handwriting.
I mean, it was for a child. He's not gonna notice. So.
Look at this post. It's the.
Oh right. It's the like. Yeah. Okay. We gotta find our photographer. We ready? We ready?
I'm sweaty.
Ready?
I'm sweaty too.
It is a little hot, but
We're there.
we're halfway
or
there.
are we sweaty?
Who's going first?
Got it.
Say who's on first?
You.
I'm going first.
I'll film
Take the
you.
camera.
I'm sorry for putting y'all on here.
It's alright, you're doing us a solid.
I expected to die today, so I was expecting death.
Asking you shall receive.
I was expecting death.
It's way too close. You didn't take your toe polish off.
I did not.
I knew what the... All I know is like the logo. That's the only one I got.
We got
Oh,
it.
hell yeah.
For an hour.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh, the breeze feels nice down here.
We're gonna get like flagged for copyright.
Yeah, I'll cut close so that he doesn't. It's gonna come down on my head.
Oh, hell yeah. We love that.
I'm doing all the test shots for you guys.
That was scandalous. This is what you get for sinning.
Okay, that close is good.
Oh, I'm sweating so much.
To the left.
Okay. See.
And there's a long hallway over there that's got a door on the end of it. I don't know. I'm terrible at giving directions.
Me too.
That's hard.
I'm surprised you're doing that in this weather, in that outfit. What if she jumped forward and she fell down the hill?
Actually asking us to take pictures and I keep dropping my phone.
Oh, you're good.
Okay, we'll find it, I promise.
There they are. There they are. They're hiding. They're hiding. They're hiding.
Hi.
Yay! Are you gonna do it? Come down the steep hill. Come down.
Hey, my arm's falling apart.
Oh, Mama, I love you.
It's been so long. I'm so hot. It's really hot out here. I'm sweating so much. I'm sweating all my makeup off. They make it?
They made it.
Woo!
They made it.
Sprayed did it.
We are fighting dreamers. Hello!
Congrats on graduating.
Congratulations.
There you go. Do the thing. You got it.
Get it, sand boy.
Look at that Gaara man go.
Oh, hell yeah. He controls the sand. Woo!
All the sand.
The sand.
Our hearts.
The sand of our hearts.
Look.
She does just stand there. That's the problem. She's just like
She's very
What?
excited.
on here.
Yeah.
You can put like your hands on your hips, like, oh yeah, like that. Like that.
Oh God, are you gonna throw it?
I'm gonna throw it to you. Are you ready for this? Are you ready?
Please.
Oh, so close. You got it? Okay.
The intro was. I forgot what your intro was. Hold on. I got it.
Hey peeps. Like so zoomed in.
Stop zooming in. Okay. Hey peeps, it's Jasmine this guy, and we're here at, where are we? CTX? Anime CTX here in Round Rock?
2019.
2019. I forgot about that. God, I'm a terrible Jasmine. There's
You know who's not a terrible Jasmine?
that Jasmine over
That
there.
Jasmine right there.
Yeah, I'm a terrible Jasmine. They're playing Naruto theme song. Yeah, I know. It's great. It's
amazing.
Go with that Naruto boy. Wow.
I know you hear every time I turn on your camera.
You ain't sneaky. I mean, you are sneaky because you're a ninja. But you're awesome.
Wow.
These are really weird pose and I hate it.
You?
Yeah.
I love it. I'm not putting the camera on you though, but I love it.
No, yeah, I feel that.
Dun, 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 na 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 da, da, da.
Oh, hey, what's that Tsunade?
Ooh, kill him.
The best meme. The best meme.
Had a cup.